What's up, YouTube family? Mr. Blacktop here. I know it's been a couple days since I put up any videos. It's been pretty busy. I've been running around trying to find a company to give me a decent quote uh, on a clear bra for the front of my car, as I stated in my previous video. And so it took me to about 5 spots around the Concord and Charlotte metro area. Looked at 5 different companies. One company wanted as much as $850 for a partial clear bra, and that's not even including the hood. And I was just like, nah, it's not gonna happen. I thought that was a little much. I know it's expensive, especially if you're using XPEL, which is considered top of the line. There's some other materials out there that are also being used, like Suntech and 3M. They all have good reviews, but I definitely wanted to, if I'm going to spend this kind of money, I definitely want to go with the best material, which was XPEL, and also because of its self-healing qualities too. So I finally got a company. I found a company called Sun Stoppers. There's about 7 locations here in Metro Charlotte and Concord area. And they got me a good price, about $500. So for $500, I got my front bumper, I got the lights, the fog lights, and my mirrors all clear, uh, coated with the clear bra. So. Morning, YouTubers. Another early Saturday morning. Got an appointment today to finally get that clear bra put on the front of this car. After 4 quotes and a lot of driving, finally got a great place where they're gonna put the clear coat on the front of this car and protect it from any other debris of dirt and pebbles. So, gonna head over there and come back with another video showing you what it's gonna look like. Alright, YouTubers, I am here. I am at Sun Stoppers. They are the ones that are gonna put the clear coat on the front of the car. As you can see in the car, I got my B5 blue to take care of that chip. And I've turned the keys over, and these guys are gonna take care of that little chip. They're gonna fill it in. They're gonna sand it down, and then after they clean up the front, they're gonna put that nice clear bra on the front of this car. And so we can be able to avoid all those chips and debris from doing any further damage. And they're also going to put it on the mirrors as well. So it's cost me about $500 just for the front bumper up to the hood. I'm going to start there, and then I'm going to come back maybe in a couple months and do the hood completely. I know on a partial clear bra, a lot of people go halfway up the hood. I really don't like the way that looks, because you can see the line going across the hood. So I'm gonna go do the hood completely, because when you do the hood completely, it wraps completely around the hood, so you won't have any lines in it. And then I'll do the fenders, where the 392 badges are. Alright. It's looking real beautiful, man. But yeah, that's what we're gonna do today. We are going to get this done. Alright, I'll get back to you shortly and show you how that's gonna look once I'm all done with the clear badge. So Starting with the front bumper, you'll notice that they did an excellent job putting the clear bra on the front bumper. It's not even noticeable to the naked eye until you go up real close, and then you can start to see those lines. And this is about the only space right here where you'll actually see the edge, and that's because they have to cut it in order to fit it on the front, this portion of the front bumper, which is connected to the fender and the hood. But other than that, after it reaches the edge of the front fender, it actually folds in. They actually rolled it in so that you don't have any lines on the bumper. So it fits very well. And then also, there's a clear coating on the headlight as well. And I mean, you could barely notice it. You really don't notice. There are no edges there like it was on the bumper. Like I said, this is a self-healing. It's called XPEL. Self-healing film to protect the lights, the bumper, the fog lights, all of that. And here again, you can see on the lower portion of the bumper, there's where they cut it out as it's going up to the plastic portion. And then as you go to the mirror, he actually added the mirror portion of it. The other quotes that I got did not include the mirror, and I asked him, why do you think the mirror needs to be covered? He said, you'll be surprised how many people knock into your mirror in a parking lot. So that's one of the reasons why he recommended adding the clear quote to the clear bar to the mirror. But now I can drive with a little bit more confidence, man. Knowing that I won't be getting any more of those rock chips damaging the front of my car. So that's what I got going on right now. The next thing, I'm just waiting for the oil catch can to come in. And from there, we will move forward.